So here's my fitness data analysis project. I did it on Azusa Unified School District, and I picked 6 elementary schools: Victor Hodge, Charles H. Lee, Paramount, Powell Elementary, Valleydale Elementary, and Murray Elementary School. The 2 schools I'm going to focus on are Victor Hodge and Paramount. Victor Hodge is because it's the most northern school in the district, and Paramount, it's actually in the middle of the community. I picked Victor Hodge because this is where my son goes. The demographics is mostly Hispanic, and then the smaller percentages are going to be the rest of the demographics. The school population is 556 students. So the overall summaries for male and female, they're very similar. The most thing that stood out to me here is the trunk extension for males and females are both 100%. And then the things that need improvement, it's going to probably be body composition will be the most that is needed. Paramount Elementary, same thing, 90% Hispanic, population is a lot smaller. This school, very similar, same thing, trunk extension 100%. Same thing here, body composition is also needed to be worked on. I think overall, the demographics have a lot to do with the similarities of the schools, and I think that the trunk extension and the flexibility being the highest has to do with age. Children are very flexible at a young age. So to compare and contrast, the schools are relatively the same. Most were similar in trunk extension, like I said before. Flexibility, the biggest difference is aerobic capacity, but it was a very small difference. The measures are almost exactly the same. So in conclusion, the project was fun and informative. The biggest takeaway for me was how to use DataQuest and how useful the resource can be. I now realize it might have been beneficial to do different school ages, so I was curious and I went on DataQuest and checked out middle school and high school, and the only thing that I noticed that was different, that went down, was body composition percentage in the healthy zone, and the flexibility went down in the healthy zone. This information for me, I think, would be useful as an educator because it could help you create lessons for later. And here are my resources. There are the other schools: Valleydale, Powell, Murray, and Lee. Thank you, everybody.